Hi, Jim Pryor here. We're at a 3-bed semi-detached house where our clients are suffering from noise from their neighbours in this open plan kitchen extension. And this is making them feel stressed and annoyed and worried about their privacy. They want to entertain in this kitchen extension without bothering their neighbours. Using our 4-step method, we will reduce the noise by treating the main cause, the direct path, the indirect path, the fixtures and fittings. The first main cause is this RSJ boxing in. This uninsulated void is channeling the noise to and from the party wall and allowing noise to transmit across the whole of the property. The second main cause is this popular dot and dab technique, which has been applied to this entire extension wall. Now this dot and dab technique is amplifying the noise from the neighbours. We need to remove that dot and dab plasterboard and open up that RSJ before we do any soundproofing. So let's sheet up and get to work. The acoustic engineers have just completed the UCAS accredited sound test, and this shows that the sound insulation value for this party wall is now 62 dB. Before the soundproofing it was 47 dB. That's a massive 15 dB better than what it was like before. What's so exciting is our clients have claimed they haven't heard the music, TV, conversation, they haven't heard anything. You'll find that soundproofing your home is amazing.